Beyonce has officially been dethroned as the most followed person on Instagram, and a new queen has been crowned. Well, for now at least. And it's no surprise that the new Instagram queen is known for her selfies. Yep, it's Kim Kardashian. Somehow, Kim K managed to sneak right past Beyonce's impressive 44+ million Instagram followers, leaving the queen of the Beehive now in an insanely close second place. Reasons why Kim has most likely passed up the queen in followers are attributed to frequency of posts, seeing that Kim probably has an entire library of selfies to choose from daily, and some more personal captions. But if we're being honest here, Beyonce's adorable vacation pics and insanely envious glamour shots don't even need captions. They speak for themselves. Kim recently took to Instagram to gift her fans with a boastful cleavage-bearing selfie when she reached 42 million followers, so I'm not sure if I even want to know what she's gonna post once she realizes that she's hit 44 million. And although Instagram technically holds the title for the most followers at a whopping 94+ million followers, Kim is now the first actual person at the top of the list, followed by Beyonce, Taylor Swift, Selena Gomez, Kendall and Kylie Jenner, and Justin Bieber being the only male to hit the top 10. So what do you guys think about Kim snagging the top spot for the most Instagram followers? Do you think it was only a matter of time, or do you think it's just a matter of time until Beyonce takes back her crown? Regardless, Beyonce will always be the queen in our book, but I want to know what you guys think about the new social media slayer. Write down in the comment section below, and then click right over here to check out 5 Taylor Swift Instagram pics that we recreated in a day in the life of our girl T Swift on an all-new Totally Clevver. Thanks for hanging out with me here on Clevver News. I'm your host, Danielle Robay, and I'll see you later. And then click to the left to check out 10 things you didn't know about Kim K, and click to the right to see 21 monumental moments in Beyonce's rise to fame.